Hi, want to know how to enter split screen mode on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to click on this button to go to our recent application and pick the first application that we would like to use in the split screen. So, for example, I'll take these albums, and here we would need to now click on the name of this application until you'll see this menu appear on the screen. Here we would need to click on this button split screen, and you can see that we got our first application. As a next step here, we would need to choose second application that you would like to use here. So for example, here I got my gallery and also calculator. This is especially useful for multitasking. And now also one useful feature is that you can actually change the size of the applications on your screen. So for that, we would need to hold our finger on this central white line and then just move it to the side which application you would like to make bigger. You can see a preview which app will be bigger and which one will be smaller. So for example, let's make bigger the calculator like this. And now, as you can see, everything is still working. And now the last thing, how to exit the split screen mode. For that, we would need to hold the same line which is responsible for the application size and just pull it to the end of your phone. And now we are fully in normal mode like before. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.